On November 17, 1995, 38-year-old Edith Bernice Lehnerz was supposed to arrive at the home of a friend and never did. When she did not arrive, her family members reported her missing. Ms. Lehnerz has a medical condition involving her heart and was on medication. She had just given birth to a child prior to her disappearance and was last seen wearing pinkish, clear, round glasses. Anyone with information regarding this case is asked to please contact the Colorado Springs Police Department.
Lehnerz was last seen in Colorado Springs, Colorado on November 10, 1995. She was supposed to go to a friend's home, but she never arrived and has never been heard from again. Foul play is suspected in her case, which remains unsolved.
Termination of the parent-child legal relationship is a possible remedy available under these proceedings. District Court, County of El Paso, State of Colorado. Juvenile number 95 JV 3381. Division Y. Notice of hearing. Regarding the advisement on the motion for termination of the parent-child legal relationship. The people of the state of Colorado, in the interest of Ija Muhammad Lehnerz, adjudged to be dependent and neglected, El Paso County Human Services. Petitioner, and concerning Edith Lehnerz, paternal rights relinquished. Respondents, Angelo Lehnerz, Frank Lehnerz, Lori Lehnerz, and Bernice Lehnerz. Interested parties. To Edith Lehnerz, you are hereby notified that on the 7th day of January, 1997, at the hour of 10 o'clock a.m., in Division Number Y, 5th floor, Room 505, Juvenile Division of District Court, in and for El Paso County, State of Colorado, at the County Judicial Building, 20, East Vermijo Avenue, Colorado Springs, Colorado. Petitioner herein through its undersigned attorneys will call up for immediate hearing and determination, the advisement on the motion for termination of the parent-child legal relationship, filed in the within entitled matter concerning and in the best interests of the above-named child, where and at which time you may be present as you are so advised. Note: failure to appear at this hearing can and will result in default being entered against you, and your parental rights shall be terminated. Parents, guardians, or legal custodians have a right to be represented at any juvenile hearing by an attorney of their choice. If you are indigent, you have the right to have the court appoint an attorney to represent you. Parents also have the right, if you are indigent, to have the court appoint one expert witness of your choosing at any hearing, concerning the termination of parental rights. Dated this 2nd day of December, 1996. Spoke to Joe Maciatos 719-444-7559 of Colorado Springs Law Enforcement. He is quite happy to look at this match for us. He has some info indicating that Edith Lehnerz may have been in an apartment as late as October 98, which makes this timing even more intriguing. The dental should tell the tale. The Colorado Springs PD detective assigned to Ms. Lehnerz's case is going to contact the mother to obtain a DNA reference sample for comparison to the Weatherford unidentified woman. We received the email in reference to a possible match on Lehnerz. I am not sure where TXDPS is with the information, but we will be contacting the Colorado Springs Police Department to begin the process of identification. I have talked with the TXDPS and was informed that they are waiting on Colorado Springs to obtain and supply them with a DNA sample from Lehnerz's family in order to compare it to the DNA of our Jane Doe. Lehnerz has not been ruled out yet. DNA comparison is in the works for this one though.
Okay, I'm looking into this whole deeper side story with the missing woman Edith, and I just realized this morning that this is her son. The missing persons report indicates that Edith had a child before she went missing. That puts her child in his early 20s. I wonder what the age of this guy is. Oh, and where did he get these photos of Edith that cannot be found anywhere on the internet? Deeper, I want to know more about this guy.